We have given fraction 2 over 13 and we need to change this fraction to decimal number and round to tenth and to the hundredth. So when we have to change fraction to decimal number, we need to divide numerator by denominator. So 2 we divide by 13, and what we use? We use long division. Our divisor is 13. We set long division, and because we cannot put 13 to 2, so we have to add zeros. After 2, this is whole number, so we can write decimal point, and we add extra zeros. How many zeros? We have to just check to which place we have to round. Tenth. When we round to 10, we need only 2 digits after decimal point. Tenth is the first digit, and we need 1 extra to do the rounding, but we have also hundredth. To round to hundredth is second digits after decimal point, and we need 1 extra digits to do the rounding, so we need 3 digits after decimal point. And now we have to do long division. How many times we can put 13 to 2? Of course, 0. 0 times 13 is 0. Subtraction. 2 minus 0 is 2. What next? We have to copy decimal point exactly in the same column on our tab where we put solution, and we take down next digit. So we have 20 divided by 13 is 1. 1 times 13 is 13. 20 minus 13 is 7. Next, we have to take down next digit. So we have 70. How many times 13 goes to 70? 5 times. 5 times 13 is 65. Subtraction. 70 minus 65 is 5. What next? We have to take down next digit. So we have 50 divided by 13. So it will be 3. 3 times 13 is 39. Subtraction. So 50 minus 39 is 11, and because we have at that moment 3 digits after decimal point, we can stop long division, and we can rewrite that 2 over 13 is approximately, we write approximately symbol because we didn't finish long division, is 0, 1, 5, 3. And next, when we have to round to the nearest tenth, we have to underline tenth, and we check the digits after our underlined digits is 5. When we have 5 or greater number, we need to add 1 to our underlined digits. And now everything what is after our underlined digits we have to change to 0. So it will be 0, 0, 1 plus 1 is 2. Decimal point and 0 we copy. Everything what is before we copy. So when we round to the tenth, and we change fraction to the decimal number, the solution will be 0.2. And now we have to round to the hundredth, so let me copy one more time. We have 2 over 13 is approximately equal 0, decimal point 153. Hundredth place, so we have to underline hundredth, is the second digit after decimal point, and now next is 3, is less than 5. When we have less than 5, what do we have to do? Nothing. We just change everything what is after our underlying digits to 0, and what we have before our underlying digits and underlying digits we copy everything. So our solution will be 0.15. This was rounding to the hundredth and that to the tenth. This is my solution.